On my food trip through Italy to discover recipes from the past. Today I'll stop in Tuscany. Many regions claim it, but this recipe was most likely born right there. So let's find out together how to prepare chicken cacciatore. Let's start. You must know that every town has its own version of this recipe. But at GialloZafferano, we found the one that made everybody happy, so much so that the girls over there were fighting over who could mop up the sauce. So now let's see immediately how to make it. A nice drizzle of oil in the pan, just a drop, because the skin of the chicken is really very rich in fat. I let the bottom heat up well and throw the chicken in. I start by placing them skin side down. Let them sizzle for 5 minutes. The oil is spluttering, so it's time to flip the chicken. Look at that beautiful brown color. A few more minutes. It's time to add celery, carrot and onion finely chopped. And, to make sure we don't miss anything, 1 clove of garlic. Let's mix everything and leave it to flavor for a few minutes before adding salt and pepper. And now 1 sprig of rosemary. I leave it whole so it will be easier to remove it together with the garlic. And now 5 minutes more. It's time to glaze with red wine. Okay, the alcohol has cooked off, so I can add the peeled tomatoes. Of course, you could also use tomato puree or fresh tomatoes in the summer. After a good stir, I can cover with a lid. Let it cook for 30 minutes, or in any case until the meat comes off the bones. A bit of chopped parsley and my chicken cacciatore will be perfect. I know in your family you do it differently, but I'm curious to know your version, so I'll be waiting for it in the comments. In the meantime, however, also do try this GialloZafferano one and then let me know.